Hello, good morning. We're at the Dallas School of Flower Design. I'm looking at some of this week's work. I want to talk about longevity of product. This bouquet right here, which looks really fresh and nice, is now 7 days old. Check it out. A week old. It's easily going to go another week. So I expect my flowers to last 2 weeks. You can see by the water, I haven't changed the water. There's my proof. It's nice and cloudy. I better change that water. So changing the water helps. A couple drops of bleach would have helped that a lot. These flowers here are 5 days old, and so on and so forth. As we go around the room, these are 5 days old. Dallas School of Flower Design. So check your longevity, because longevity is one of the most important things to being a flower designer. Can you get your flowers to last long? We teach you how at American School of Flower Design. These flowers are a week old, actually a little bit longer. There's our contemporary piece for today. So I'm Michael Gaffney saying join me in class, flowerschool101.com.